As I'm going to make a simple pyraminx tutorial today for you guys. So, the reason I waited this long to make the video is because I just got this new pyraminx. It's really nice, especially compared to this old piece of crap. Get that out of here. So, this is the X-Man Bell pyraminx, and you can get it for $15 on speedcubeshop.com. That's where I buy all my cubes, and you probably should too. Hashtag not sponsored. So let's just move on to that tutorial. Off in solving your pyraminx, you want to start with the tips because they're the most trivial piece. You don't have to memorize anything. You just turn them until they match their other piece. So I'm just going to do that for all the tips. Then we can move on to our next step. The next step in solving the pyraminx is to match your center pieces on one side. So these pieces, those are center pieces. We want to make them all the same color on one side. So if I look around, I see two blue center pieces here, and one here. So I'm just going to make them match. So there's 3 on one side. And then that's it for this step. The next step is going to be to solve the side that you put your center pieces on. So in this example, I did blue. So now we have to look, so put your blue on the bottom and look for a blue edge piece. Edge pieces are those pieces. So look for a blue edge piece. Now look at the color on the other side of your blue edge piece. This one's yellow, so I'm going to turn it to match it with yellow right here because this is my blue side. Then I'm going to turn up the opposite side, turn this in so the blue matches with its blue, and put the blue down. So now that's solved correctly. Now in this case, we have a blue in the wrong piece, so we can just take that out anywhere. So I'm going to take that out. So the blue has green on the other side. So I'm going to match it up with green. Now pull this up and put that in. So now we have our final one. It's already matched up with its red. So I can do that. So that's it for this step. For your next step, I pick a side that you didn't solve yet. So blue is already solved for us. So let's go with red. And now match the center pieces, put them on the bottom, and then solve it again. The same way we just did. And then if you keep doing that for a little while, usually only 2 or 3 times, you'll be able to solve the pyraminx.